Alright guys, so check this out. Close it. And then it's gonna beep because the key fob is still in the vehicle. If I pull the key fob out, it's going nuts. Then if I put it back, it's gonna stop, but it's just gonna continue beeping. Oops. Alright, let's go ahead and replace this bad boy. Remove this little clip right here. And we're gonna need a 10mm. Okay. And the part number is right here. Okay. She is fixed, guys. Oops. Awesome. And we are also gonna replace the engine filter. Ooh, there's poop in here. Holy cow. Ooh. Ooh, lovely. Alright, let's vacuum this. Alright, so we are pretty clean, Mr. Customer. Here's the new engine filter, and here's the part number. The music is way too loud today. Hopefully we're not gonna get copyright. Okay. Alright, you are done. Ooh. Let's go ahead and replace the cabin as well. Okay. Alright. Okay. So basically press this and pull it out. And here is the cabin filter. Yeah, it needs one. Okay. Here is the part number, guys. And when you install this, make sure the airflow arrow is pointing down. Yeah, we're gonna install it this way. But before that, let's go ahead and apply this mock product to freshen up your system. Ooh, smell good. Alright, install this back. Again, the arrow is pointing down. There we go. Then to install this, line this up and push this thing in. Line it up and press it in. Hopefully the camera got that thing. And put the two stopper. Alright guys, thank you for watching. Have a great day. Bye.